Today we are learning all about that geode cake. It's such a fun technique. I love kind of cutting into the cake, and we're gonna fill it with sprinkles, some spooky yet pretty sprinkles today. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. The key to this fun geode look is you need a chilled cake. So make sure that it comes out of the freezer or the fridge before you're gonna start chopping into that cake, because it'll be so much easier to cut it when it's chilled. You're just gonna cut right into this cake. I know it's kind of scary, but I promise you it's really, really not, because you're gonna cover it up with buttercream. All right, so just get a big knife and start cutting right into your cake. However you want the geode to be shaped is the way that you're going to cut this. Today I'm starting a little bit at the top. We're gonna do kind of a little triangle, then we're gonna keep going down, so it's just kind of a pretty geode look in the middle of our cake. So you can see I'm just kind of cutting that cake out. Don't be afraid to cut into this cake. That's the problem. A lot of people are like, I can't do it. You can. Just get in there with that knife and start cutting pieces of that cake away. I promise you're gonna cover up any imperfections that you make. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. We did it. We cut into this cake, and now it's time to make it look like a geode cake. Now I've just got some buttercream on my offset spatula, and we're just gonna start putting it inside. Fill in all of this cake that we just cut out. Just kind of fill it nicely in with that buttercream. And now that we've filled in the hole with buttercream, it's time to add the sprinkles. A lot of times people like to use rock candy for geode look, and that is so pretty, but we are doing it kind of a spooky, elegant Halloween cake today. Maybe not even a Halloween cake. You guys decide. Now we're just gonna put sprinkles into this geode. So I just kind of one by one put some of the bigger sprinkles right inside this cake. Don't worry about getting messy, just kind of get in there and stick those sprinkles in. And then we're just gonna keep filling it in, guys. Just keep filling in those sprinkles all inside of this cake. It's so easy to create this geode look, so just keep filling in with those sprinkles. Now we need to add some drip. So you guys have seen my tutorials about how I do my gold metallic drip, and we're just gonna drip it down the sides of our cake. If you guys need the recipe, make sure to click right here and you'll be able to find my recipe for my metallic drip. To finish this pretty Halloween spooky elegant cake off, we're gonna use some gold leaf, and we're just gonna kind of put it around the sides of our geode cake right here. If you guys want me to do a tutorial all about that elusive gold leaf, I'll definitely do it. Put in the comments below if you guys want to see a video about gold leaf. All right, I'm not sure. Is it Halloween cake or is it just a pretty elegant black cake? They are Halloween sprinkles, but I don't know. You guys tell me if it's a Halloween cake or if it's just a pretty elegant black cake. I'm going for a posh Halloween cake. This is what I made. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes as we made this pretty posh Halloween cake. Geode cakes are fun. Go in your kitchen, go try it, and let me know how it goes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome day.